Hello students, this is mathematics class and today we have to understand some points about functions. The first point is every relation need not be a function. It means every relation cannot be said as a function because function is a specific rule that corresponds to sets. And every relation cannot be a function. And now move on to the domain, codomain and range of a function. If we have a function f from a to b, then set A is called the domain of the function. It means the first set is always the domain of a function. Set B is called the codomain of a function. It means set B. It means second set can be said as the codomain of the function. And now if we talk about the range of a function, the set of elements of B which are the f images of all the elements of A is called the range of function f. If we want to understand, we can take one example. We have one example. Check whether the following relations are functions. First one is given. Relation R1 is given 2, 1, 5, 1, 8, 1, 11, 1, 14, 1, 17, 1. The first element of any two ordered pairs of R1 are not the same. Therefore, R is a function. Here you can see the image of elements 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17. In the arrow diagram, you can see the image of 2, 5, 8, 11, 14 and 17 is 1. It means this relation can be a function. If we consider about R2, that the relation is given 2, 1, 4, 2, 6, 3, 8, 4, 10, 5, 12, 6, 14, 7. R2 is also a function because every element of domain have its unique and distinct image in codomain. If we consider about R3 1, 3, 1, 5, here you can see, and 2, 5, here you can see the image of 1 is 3. The image of 5, the image of 1 is also 5. It means we have already studied that more than one element cannot have more than one image. Here you can see the image of 1 is 3, the image of 1 is 5. That's why this relation cannot be a function. Thank you.